everyone, my name is Sabi and today I'm gonna have an unboxing for this foldable cleaning caddy bag. I'm gonna open it and take a look together. Well, this is the bag. As you see, a lot of space on the sides. Well, I put all of the cleaning stuff I needed into that bag. There's a lot of space here. You can put your towels, everything you need. And there's some more extra spots here. Well, there's more pockets and more space inside for your extra cleaning products, so you can handle it 3 ways. There's a handle here, and you can knit it by the shoulder, or you can tie it around your belly, and it's really easy for you, and you can access to your products. Well, as you see, I tied it around my belly, and you can access everything you need for your cleaning. Alright, there is 5 different pockets outside, 3 in the front and 2 at the sides, and there is 8 different pockets here inside, and I'm so happy with my purchase, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Until next time, bye.